Hey everybody, it's yearn'é here, and we're about to kick off the new year with some seriously awesome ideas. We're talking life-changing resolutions you can actually keep, crazy predictions for the future, wild New Year's traditions from around the world, and maybe even a challenge that will blow your minds. Get ready to laugh, get inspired, and let's make this new year the best one yet. You know those resolutions we always make and break? Yeah, we're not doing that this year. This time, we're talking about resolutions that are actually doable. We're talking about simple changes that make a big impact. Like, instead of saying, I'm gonna work out every day, how about I'm gonna take the stairs more often? Small steps, big results. And to make it even more fun, we're gonna try out some of these resolutions together. This year, we're not just dreaming about our goals, we're making them happen. But hold on, before you start scribbling down a million things, let's get strategic. This chapter is all about setting achievable goals and actually crushing them. We're talking vision boards, productivity hacks, and maybe even some surprise guests who are total goal-crushing ninjas. Get ready to level up your game and make this year your best one yet. Want to start your day like a boss? We're about to unveil the ultimate morning routine that will have you leaping out of bed, ready to conquer the world. We're talking energizing smoothies, brain-boosting exercises, and maybe even a few cold showers. Okay, maybe not the cold showers, but you get the idea. This routine is all about setting yourself up for success and feeling amazing. Chapter 4. How I'm resetting my life for the new year. New year, new me? Nah, more like new year, even better me. We're going behind the scenes and sharing some personal strategies for resetting and recharging for the year ahead. Decluttering, goal setting, maybe even a little digital detox, we're covering it all. It's time to hit the refresh button and get ready for an epic year. Chapter 5. Reacting to New Year memes and trends. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the wild world of New Year's memes and trends. Get ready for some serious laughs as we react to the funniest, most relatable, and maybe even some cringeworthy content the internet has to offer. From epic fails to heartwarming moments, this is your chance to sit back, relax, and enjoy the New Year's craziness. Chapter 6. New Year Glow Up Challenge. 30 days to a better you. Ready for a transformation? This is not your average New Year's challenge. We're talking 30 days of challenges, surprises, and maybe even some prizes along the way. We'll be focusing on fitness, self-care, and personal growth, because we're all about becoming the best versions of ourselves. Are you in? Let's glow up together. Chapter 7. What will 2025 look like? Predictions and trends. Fasten your seatbelts because we're taking a wild ride into the future. In this chapter, we're putting on our prediction hats and exploring the trends that will shape 2025 and beyond. Flying cars, teleportation? Okay, maybe not that far. But we're talking about the latest in tech, fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. Get ready to be amazed by what the future holds. Chapter 8. How people celebrate New Year around the world. Did you know that people throw furniture out of windows in Italy or wear polka dots in the Philippines for New Year's? Get ready to explore the most unique and mind-blowing New Year's traditions from around the globe. We'll be taking a virtual trip around the world, learning about different cultures and their fascinating celebrations. Get ready to be amazed. Chapter 9. DIY party ideas for an unforgettable New Year's Eve. Throwing a New Year's Eve party? We've got you covered. This chapter is jam-packed with creative DIY decor ideas, fun games, and delicious food hacks that will make your party legendary. We're talking about next-level decorations, party games that will have everyone laughing, and food that's both delicious and Instagram-worthy. Get ready to ring in the new year in style. Food and celebrations go hand in hand, and New Year's is no exception. We're about to unveil the top 5 dishes that will tantalize your taste buds, and make your New Year's feast unforgettable. From traditional favorites to unique and flavorful dishes, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to impress your guests and ring in the new year with a delicious bang. Need a little help staying on track with those resolutions? We've got your back. In this chapter, we're diving into the world of apps to supercharge your New Year's goals. Whether you're looking to crush your fitness goals, boost your productivity, manage your finances, or learn something new, there's an app out there for you. AI isn't just the future. It's here to help us plan our best year yet. That's right. We're talking about the coolest AI tools that will simplify your life and make this year your most organized and productive yet. From scheduling appointments to generating creative content, AI is about to become your new best friend. Get ready to embrace the power of technology and unlock a whole new level of efficiency. Chapter 13. My Year in Review. Lessons learned and hopes for the future. Before we jump into a brand new year, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey so far. We'll be sharing some personal highlights, lessons learned, and hopes for the future. It's all about growth, gratitude, and getting inspired for the adventures to come. Chapter 14. Your 2025 Goals, written by AI. This is where things get really interesting. We're letting AI take the wheel and generate some hilarious and surprisingly insightful New Year's resolutions for you. Get ready to laugh, get inspired, and maybe even discover some hidden goals you never knew you had. This is AI-powered goal setting like you've never seen it before. Chapter 15. New Year Bucket List. 10 things to do before 2025. Life is short, so let's make the most of it. We're creating an epic New Year bucket list filled with 10 incredible experiences to have before 2025. Think adventurous trips, personal challenges, and unforgettable moments that will make you say, I can't believe I actually did that. Get ready to start checking things off your bucket list and living life to the fullest. Chapter 16. New Year, New Mindset. How to stay motivated all year. We all know that New Year's motivation can fade fast, but not this year. This chapter is all about building habits, staying positive, and keeping that motivation burning bright all year round. We are sharing practical tips, inspiring stories, and maybe even a few secret weapons to help you stay focused and achieve your goals. Get ready to unlock your inner motivation machine. Chapter 17. Why this new year is your best chance to succeed. This isn't just another year. It's a fresh start, a clean slate, and your chance to make your dreams a reality. In this final chapter, we are sharing inspiring stories, powerful messages, and a whole lot of motivation to help you embrace the year ahead with confidence and determination. This is your year to shine, so let's make it happen. Outro. नए साल के लिए तखलीकी और दिलचस्प मौज़ूआत. So there you have it, guys, a roadmap to an epic new year. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the incredible content coming your way in the new year. We've got challenges, giveaways, and a whole lot of fun planned. So stay tuned. Here's to an amazing year ahead.